Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous octagonal chocolate basket with the paper quilling flower decoration. And can you see how gorgeous this is looking? This is little unique in design and I have put chocolate inside this. So quickly I am removing the chocolates and showing you how it looks with all 8 sides with lovely pattern paper decoration. And trust me, this is super duper easy to make. You just need to follow few easy instructions to construct the box. And this is nicely finished and can hold up to 200 gram of weight. So you can put dry fruits, you can put small gifts, anything whatever you want to gift to your nearer ones or dearer ones. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. Here I am taking 10 by 10 centimeter pink color 80 GSM craft paper and to create the base of our basket, here I am doing the origami arrangement. So here I am starting with making the first piece. The instructions are super easy and very clear, so just follow it, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Just burnish each fold nicely with bone folder for the crisp fold each time. So our first side of the basket is ready, and with the similar method we need total 8 sides to create octagonal shape of the basket. So all 8 patterns are ready. Now it's time to join all together. So we just need to tuck this triangle into this pocket to connect one piece with another. So to secure it nicely and permanently, I am using here glue and tuck it inside the pocket. Burnish it, and with the similar method I am going to connect remaining 6 sides. So all 8 sides are done. Now we have to join first and last part with each other. So just adding glue on the triangle and tucking it in the first pocket. And our base for the basket is ready. Super duper easy And the color is looking very yummy, isn't it? So cute. Just folding the top portion backward to give it nice shape. Now here I am taking 10 cm diameter octagonal shape which I cut on cardboard, and I am covering it using pink color cardstock. So in short, we have to make one circle using 5 cm diameter, and then we have to divide the circle in 8 equal parts to get the octagon shape. So this is nicely covered. Now on another side also I am using one more pink color octagon shape for the finishing. And then I am sticking it on back side of the basket to give nice sturdy base to our basket. Like this. Now inside the basket also I am putting one pink color cardstock octagon shape for the finishing. And the base is completely ready. Now to decorate sides, here I am taking 3.5 by 3 cm pink cardstock. Just folded this from top at 1 cm, and on the bigger side I am just cutting one triangular shape like this. This cardstock is having 250 GSM thickness. Add glue on back side and stick it on the side of the basket like this. Then inside the basket I am decorating with this beautiful pattern paper which is 3.5 by 3.5 centimeters. Like this. Then on outer side also I am decorating with 3.5 by 3.5 centimeter beautiful polka dot pattern paper. As usual, I have given all the supply links in description box if you want to purchase anything, and don't forget to check out the coupon codes for different websites to get extra discounts. Now our basket is completely decorated and it's quite sturdy, hard and stiff. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. Now to create handle of the basket, here I am taking 30 by 1.5 centimeter pink color cardstock strip. I have just folded both the ends like this so that it can match with the side of the folded part of hexagonal sides. And on top of this I am putting one cardstock strip which is the pattern paper strip. Like this. And now it's time to connect the handles with the basket. So just adding glue on the bottom folded part on both the sides and then sticking it on the edge. So we have to match the pattern of the folded pattern with the edge of the box. Hold it for a few minutes on both the sides and allow it to dry. So this is attached nicely and our base of the basket is completely ready. It's looking absolutely amazing. The color combination is so pretty and this is done. Then here I am taking one more small size of gold mirror cardstock triangle which I am going to add on top of the side triangles to decorate it little more and just to match with the theme, that is gold, white and pink. and also decorating the bottom of the basket using this beautiful border design in scallop pattern, which I cut on gold mirror cardstock. I have this die, but you can use any border punch. Then I'm starting with my first flower. So here I'm taking the comb, passing the strip inside the comb like this by leaving 2 teeths. Fold the strip from top, add little glue, stick another side, pass the strip from same slot in the bottom, then from the same slot take up, then next slot take down, then top take up, next slot take down, and we have to repeat this process till we get 7 loops on top and in the bottom. So this is done. Now on back side add little glue and sticking white color strip with this. Taking out the petal carefully from the comb, fold it from center, hold it nicely and wrap the white color strip around the petal. Cut the excess strip. And this is done. Then in the center part I am putting one small white color tight coil which is made using 1/8 strip of white color. So with the similar method I have prepared total 7 petals. Now joining all 7 petals together, and in the center I am adding one tight coil dome which is made using 1 strip of white color in 3 mm. So the flower is ready. With the similar method I have prepared one more flower. Now starting with the second flower, for this I am taking half strip of pink color and 1/4 strip of dark pink color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Now joining total 6 petals together and adding half strip light purple color tight coil in the center. So this is done. With the same method I have prepared one more flower. Now for the third flower I am taking here half strip of white color in 3 mm and making one tight teardrop shape, joining 5 petals together, and in the center I am adding one pink color tight coil which is made using 1/4 strip. For all the shapes I am using 3 mm strips only. Similarly, I have prepared one more flower. Now to create leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making simple leaf shape. Similarly, I have already prepared lots of leaves. Now to make scroll, here I am taking 3 strips in 1/4 size of sap green color, joining all 3 together, fold it from center and make a coil from one corner using pointed tweezer. To get the scroll pattern, cutting excess strip from bottom to level it up and secure it with the glue. With a similar method I have already prepared some more scrolls. So all our beautiful quilling patterns are ready and it's time to decorate our basket. So taking back my basket and I'm putting my flowers one by one like this. I'm just decorating the handle, not the basket. And this is done. With the similar method, I am going to decorate the other side of the handle. So this is completely done and it's looking absolutely gorgeous and amazing. I have filled my basket with chocolates and done the decoration on both the sides. I have kept the center part as it is because it is easy to hold. If you add anything, it will be little tough. So just keep it simple in the center. And instead of chocolates, you can also put any kind of soft toy. So you can put both the things together. Just stick your soft toy on top of the chocolate and receiver will be more happier than anything. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am eagerly waiting for your comments and suggestions, and if you have any new ideas, do share with me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.